What's up, YouTube? This is a 15-minute Bruno Mars workout, but before we get sweaty, we're gonna play a little game. It's kind of like a variation of Duck, Duck, Goose. In the comments, you're gonna comment exactly this, 24K. You can comment as many times as you like. At some point, I am going to comment the word magic. Whoever was the person that commented right before me will win a 1-year subscription to the studio online, where we have hundreds and hundreds of full-length workouts. We live stream every single day. That's a $200 value. So definitely get on those comments, like this video, tell your friends to get in on this, and maybe you guys will be dancing together for a year for free on me. Let's go. All right, we're gonna start with 2 big body rolls, warming up all the joints, and then turn it out. Finish that body roll with a little booty pop. Hey, to the back. Do it again, right here. Shoulders, booty. Yeah, 4, 3, 2. Hey, we're gonna rock it to the right. Hey, right to left. Kick, drag, kick, rock it again. Hold it. Walk it up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Kick, ball change, body roll. Right here. Bring it up. Ball change. Yeah. Slow it down right here. Now slow it down for me, baby. 2 body rolls. Pop. To the back. Come on. Hey, get it. Connection so magnetic on the floor. Nothing can stop us tonight. 4, 3, rock it. Kick right to left. 1, 2, and drag it. Only 1 time this time. Hold it. Bring it up. Ball change. Body roll. Come on. This song is all about confidence. Let's get it. Let's get it. Turn it out. 1, 2, 3. Tap. Booty. Tap. Do it again. Check. And turn it out. 1 more time. All right, shoulders right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Run it out. Not really get it. Feels so good to be on stage. Take it back. Kick, ball change. Just dripping. Hey. Hey. Right to left. And slide it. Rock it. Right to left. All the way, finish this out. Yeah. All right, 24 karat magic. Don't forget, this is your reminder. Put that in the comments. 24K, that easy. You don't have to think about what to do. I just told you what to do. But now, let's set this party on fire. All right, we're gonna put our pinky fingers up in the air. Let's go. Right, left, kick it. Now left, right. What you trying to do? If you can't reach me, you just have fun, watch that. She's just rocking it out. Hold this. Take it back. Stand it up.
Guess who's back again?
Kick, tap, kick, tap. 4, 3, 2, again. Take it back. That. 4, 3, 2.
Don't look too hard, might hurt yourself. No, the color red, the blue.
Ooh,
shit! I'm a dangerous man.
Let's go right here. Keep up.
So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket.
Keep up.
Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jacking. Keep up.
Last one, let's go. Put your right, left.
Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so
Right. We're gonna go back to that back step. Right
Second
here.
best for the hustlers, gangsters, bad bitches, and your ugly ass friends. I cannot preach, I cannot preach. I gotta show them how I pimp get it in. First, take your shit, do your dip, spend your money like money ain't shit. Ooh, way too fresh. Got to blame it on Jesus. Hashtag, they ain't ready for me. I'm a dangerous man.
Take a walk.
In my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the pocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jacking. Keep up. Players,
Come on. Right side. Yeah.
Girls, what y'all trying to do? What you trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air.
24 karat magic. Let's go. We're gonna break it down right here.
Everywhere I go, they be like, so bad.
Drip it in finesse, you know what I'm
They
saying?
be like, so bad. Everywhere I go, they be like, so bad.
Last one.
Now break it down like,
Hey.
24 karat. What's that sound?
3, 2, 1.
Come on now. 24 karat. 24 karat magic.
All those Bruno vibes. Here we go.
Just put your what y'all trying to do? Look what you're trying to do. 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so
Let's go.
what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so
Hate this? Your best robot. I want to see it.
You been walking in here looking all pretty and angry and mean and good.
Don't be looking mean and angry, mean and good.
I
Whatever
know you
it
didn't get your
says.
head down so you could just sit down
We're
and
gonna
just
have a
sit
good
still.
time.
Hey, we trying to have a good time tonight. Let's go,
Let's
baby.
go.
Let's go, baby. It's my birthday.
Turn it. No, it's not.
But I still look good though. Come on. I just want an autograph. For you and your friends.
One more
Gotta
time.
do it in the penthouse. That's why I
Hit
keep my
and groove.
band.
Me.
You can't dance, ain't got rhythm. But you got a man. I'll see you with him. Put your phone down. Let's get it. Forget your Instagram and your Twitter. Got me like,
Oh.
wait a minute.
Shoulders. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Let's work. Throw some perm on your attitude.
Take it back.
You gotta relax.
You gotta relax. Come on, baby.
Let me show
Let's
you
go.
what you got to do. You gotta lay it back.
Kick it right here. 3, 2,
Show how to
1.
lay it back.
I'm gonna show you something you can do with your feet if you have trouble with that.
Show how to lay it back.
You do you.
Show how to lay it back.
Last one. Up.
Come on, baby, I love you.
Turn it. No, you don't.
You never know I might though. Can't say I won't. There's that smile I'm looking for.
Was that so hard? Come on. If you ever need to smile again, baby.
Take my card, razzle dazzle, never gonna stop. What you want is what I got. You wanna get down, you gotta get up. Don't be stingy with your big old butt. You gotta really like,
Oh.
wait a minute. I'm just playing with
Shoulders.
you. Put some shoulders up.
4, 3, 2.
Throw some perm on your attitude. Girl, you gotta relax.
Again.
Let me show you what you got to do. You gotta lay it back.
Hit it. 4, 3, 2.
Show how to lay it back. Show how to lay it back. Show how to lay it back.
One
Show
more.
how to lay it back.
Right here. You need a breather? Here it is.
Hey, now
All
you
right,
got it,
all
baby.
about that confidence.
You
Now
trying
you
to have
got
some
it,
fun?
baby.
You just gotta follow these simple instructions. You ready? You need to activate your sex. Activate your sex. Silky smooth as snap. Silky smooth snap. Now lean with it. Throw a little sheen in it.
Left side.
Then pat, pat, pat. Till it's flat. One more time. You need to activate your sex. Activate your sex. Silky smooth snap. Silky smooth snap. Now lean with it. Throw a little sheen in it.
Right side.
Then pat, 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 pat. Till it's flat. I'll say it again. Toss some perm on your attitude. Girl, you gotta relax.
Again.
Oh, let me show you what you got to do. You gotta lay it back. Matter of fact,
1, 2, 3, 4.
show how to lay it back. Show how to lay it back now.
Big finish right
Show how to
here.
lay it back right now.
Yeah, good job. You guys have done awesome. We have one song left. It's our cool down. We're gonna catch our breath.
Your mama named you good looking.
We go straight up
You should
and straight down.
to me.
That's what these short workouts are all about. You get that heart rate straight up, and then you bring it straight down. I don't think that's what Bruno's talking about, but you know.
Got me saying, damn girl, break it
Take a
down
breath.
for me.
You did amazing. I hope you feel good and confident. Take those hips right to left.
Take it nice and slow and watch while you turn around.
Circle it out.
Just
Right.
back it up.
Yeah.
Right now.
And we go right, left, right, left,
I put you
circle,
on and now you're feeling right.
circle.
I know exactly what is on your
Left time,
mind.
left side. I mean,
Baby, we gon' have some fun
the left time.
tonight.
It wants to turn.
Straight up and down. Straight up
Circle it
and
out.
down. Ooh,
And then we
know
go
exactly
down
what is on your
all the way.
mind.
We're going to stretch it out.
Oh, baby,
4,
we gon' have some fun
3,
tonight.
hold it to the right.
Straight up and down.
Good job. Take it all the way down.
Both of us faded.
If it hurts your knee,
So
you
gone,
stop
so
whenever you're
gone,
ready.
so
You
gone.
feel like you got
Your
this hard,
booty
you can go
days
down.
of a
That's
celebration.
your level. That's where
And
you
I'm
go.
gonna celebrate
Good
it
job.
all
Let's turn it
night.
out.
Come on now and show
Drop
me
it down.
you got the whole
And-
club staring at you. You got me
and
saying,
here it
damn girl, break
Roll it
it
up.
down for me.
Hey.
Take it nice and
Hip circle.
slow and watch while you turn around.
Left side.
Just back it up on me, girl.
Hey.
Right now,
Good job. We're going to take it down.
I got your body rocking side to side. I put you
Down.
on and now you're
2,
feeling right.
3, 4.
I know
Hold it down.
exactly what is on your mind. Oh baby, we gon' have some fun tonight.
Turn it out, low line.
Straight up
Down.
and down.
Good job.
Straight up and down.
4, 3, 2. Sit it back.
I know exactly
Pyramid
what
pose.
is on your mind. Oh
And
baby, we
slowly
gon' have
roll
some
it up.
fun tonight. Straight up and down. Girl, tell
Get
me
that heart
when
rate
you're
down nice and easy.
ready to go.
Feel yourself.
Just say the
Strip it in the
and
neck.
then we'll
2 and 2.
take this home. Don't you fight the feeling, 'cause I
Let's
feel
single this
it
out for 4.
Freaking me, baby. While I'm freaking
Hips,
you.
take it down.
I got your body rocking side to side. I put you on and now you're feeling right.
Swing that
I
hip
know
back.
exactly what is on your mind. Oh baby, we
4,
gon' have some
3,
fun tonight.
2.
Straight up and down.
Right, left.
Straight up and down.
Bring those feet together.
I know exactly
Inhale.
what is on your mind.
Exhale,
Baby, we
fold.
gon' have some fun tonight. Straight up and
And roll it
down.
up. Good job today. I'm so proud of you. I know that's a lot to fit in a short amount of time. You did amazing. I hope you're proud of yourself. Don't forget to drop that 24K in the comments to win $200 value a whole entire year to the studio online for free. If you've never visited our website, check the link in the description. Go check it out. There's so much that we have to offer that we don't have here on YouTube. We are so glad that you joined us today. Thank you so much.